Welcome. In this video I'll talk about for loop in details. Let's start. The for loop iteration over the elements of a collection. The for loop iterates over the elements of a collection. For this is treating variable here in a sequence of variables, and we will execute a statement or some statements. Let's see an example. Let's type here for letter. For each letter in Python we will print letter. Print B Y T H A N. Let's try this in our Python shell. I type for letter in Python, print letter. We print, this will give us B Y T H O N. Here, does Python know that this letter means letter in English? No. Python here will treat this, the word which will come after for, as a subset of this word here. Then if I say this is X and this X, we will get the same value here. Python will go through this string here and will go for every subset of this string for B letter, Y letter, T letter, H letter, O letter, N letter, and this will print this letter here. Okay, the print this every value in new line like this. Okay, how for work? The code will go from here to the end of code here. If the item from a sequence here is still, it will next item for a sequence. It will move to the next item and execute a statement. If there is more items, this will be executed and executed and executed. If there is no more item in a sequence, it will move here and go here. If we apply this in our example, if there is a letter here, it will print it and move to the next letter and move to the next letter, next letter, next letter, next letter, and print next letter and print. And when there is no letters here, it will go from this and exit the loop. Okay. Nested for is a for inside another for. This is a prime number example of nested for. For I in range 2 20, we will go another loop for x in range 2 and I. If I module x equal to 0, we will print this I equal x equal, and this will give us this number here, the numbers which we can multiply to get this value, like 2 multiple 2, and we will break, else we will print that this number is a prime number. I'll discuss every word in this example in details in another video, a separated video for only prime numbers. Okay, in the next video I'll talk about what's the difference between for and while, and in which times we should use for and in which times we should while in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.